Namaste. Hello. Welcome to Indian Curry Recipes. Today we are making Beef Do Pyaaza, which is double-sized onions in this gravy. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once it's heated, add 5 to 6 peppercorn, 5 to 6 cloves, 2 bay leaves, 1 broken cinnamon stick. Add 8 crushed cardamom pods with the skin. You can take this out from the oil once it's infused if you don't want the bits in your mouth. Add 2 medium-sized onion roughly chopped. Once it's nice and brown, add turmeric, 1 teaspoon. Stir this well. Add 1 chopped tomato, 2 tablespoons ginger and garlic paste. Stir this really well. Add salt as per your taste. With the back of the spoon, make sure you mash the tomatoes really well. Add 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. You can add Kashmiri red chili if you don't want it too spicy. Mix this all really well. Now add 500 grams of chopped beef. This is boneless beef, and make sure you bash it really well. I would suggest you parboil this beef before you add it to this dish. Add half a cup of water and stir this really well. Cover and cook this for 35 to 40 minutes. After every 5 minutes, make sure you open and stir and check the water. Now add yogurt, 1 cup. If you have dairy problems, you can use option of soy milk. After 10 minutes, stir this really well. Make sure you scrape the bottom of the pan. Add half teaspoon of garam masala powder. And since this dish is not too dry, add half cup of water. We will be making this as a gravy. Add chopped coriander or parsley. Mix this really well and serve this with rice, bread, or anything of your choice. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to Indian Curry Recipes for more and new recipes. Stay safe and keep watching Indian Curry Recipes. Thank you so much. Bye.